that time again. I've removed my crochet and I've washed and treated my hair, so I've just left it to air dry. So I've used vitamin E leave-in conditioner by Bloom Magic, and my hair feels very soft. So I'm just going to give it an extra 10 minutes and I'm going to start braiding. I'm going to be doing box braids and I'm going to be using ombre 1B and 30 all together. I'll show you what it looks like. This one, see that color, 1B and fading to 30. So I was gonna go for something more brighter blondie, but I'll save that for my birthday, which is next month, April. And yeah, just expect a surprise. So I'm gonna get cracking. This is my bare face, and just look at that. What a beautiful queen. Absolutely no makeup. The Mary Kay products are just the best thing you can invest on. All right guys, let me proceed with my box braids, doing it myself. See you in the next clip as usual. So here am I, just installing the extensions. So I'm on a fast mode. You can all get the gist. So I think I usually use my 5 senses so as to petition the back and install the hair extensions in. So I've been doing this thing since I was a teenager, really though. So about 12, 13. So because I guess people always ask me, how do you see the back? Well, I don't have eyes behind my back or behind my head. So what I do, I just I'll put a mirror or use my phone camera. So I use my 5 senses. You can just feel that the lines are accurate from the back. So that's what I do. So imagine if you've been doing this at the age of 13 and now I'm in my almost mid 40s. So it's just easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I'm just going to carry on. So as you can see, it's ombre 1B and color 30. And I just feel like having executive box braids this time, since the last hair that I had the deep twist curly crochet, which was all about color 30, and I had so many compliments. So I appreciate all the comments and all the messages from clients and family and friends and admirers as well. So I'm just moving on now. So this is how far I've gone. So you can see the back is really accurate. As you can see, it's done in boxes. So I'm going for like not a very full kind of braid. So those packs, I'm using like 5 of them. So I want something not as scanty at the same time, but then I want something that it's sort of like very sleek, because I'm going to be engaged with a lot of interviews this month of March. I have been working really hard, myself and my team, the fantastic team of Anaya Hair Beauty. We have been working behind the scenes since January, and we have upgraded our website. It's a brand new website now, and we're just really encouraging women from all walks and race of life just to love the hair and embrace themselves. So this is me. I've all like dressed up. This is the finishing look. What do you think, guys? So as it is now, I'm on my way for an interview in a studio. So I'm gonna keep my mouth sealed. I'm not gonna say that much, but watch out for the interview. It will come out very soon. It's gonna be a shocker, and I feel very blessed to be nominated to be part of it. So this is my look. So I've got like my lemon green and my bottle green blazer. I'm looking all sleek, naturally. And yeah, I'm just gonna go and do my best. So basically, I love what I do and I love to make other people happy just using braids. So this is me in the studio and just kind of like showing off. Beautiful. Well guys, feel free to like, leave a comment, subscribe and share, And I'll be seeing you next again. As usual, I love you. And take care of yourself, take care of your mental state. And expect more videos this coming week. I'm going to dive more into my okay. Love you. Bye.